Hey friends, I'm going to share with you a very good recipe of chocolate ice cream. So the very first thing we need 400 ml cold heavy cream. And now let's blend the heavy cream for a while. And you can see now it's a bit thick. And then add 3 tablespoons of unsweetened coconut powder. So now it's time to blend again. And now let's add 400 ml condensed milk. Now let's blend everything very well. Put in a freezer for 8 hours. Thank you for watching. Hello friends, I'm going to make chocolate fudge. Let's make it. Let's cut the chocolate in little cubes. So here we go, we have the chocolate crumbs, and now we need a one non-stick pan and 395 grams condensed milk. Now let's add the condensed milk in a non-stick pan and put the flame low. So this is 2 ingredients: fudge, chocolate and condensed milk. Now add the chocolate in. Now melt the chocolate with the condensed milk and keep mixing. Let's put in a freezer and wait for 1 hour. Our fudge is ready. Our perfect fudge is ready. It's very delicious. Please try it. Hello friends, I'm going to share with you a very simple recipe of peanut chikki. We need a non-stick pan, 2 cups of sugar. This is 2 cups of sugar and 2 cups of roasted peanuts. And let's add 1 spoon of butter. Now let's wait this sugar to get melt. As you see, our sugar is getting melt now. While our sugar is melting, I'm putting the butter on a tray. So our sugar is melting. Now we're gonna add the peanuts and we're gonna mix very fast. Secret is that you have to keep mixing. Now let's move here on a tray. Now let's spread on the tray. Let's roll your chikki. Let's keep rolling. Make the lines. Now let's wait for cool off for 5 to 6 minutes. Chikki is cold and crunchy. Wow. Let's hear the bite sound now. This is good. Please follow and share. Hello friends, would you like to drink very delicious hot chocolate? So let's get started. The very first thing we need 200 grams of heavy cream, 75 grams of chocolate. So I'm using a milk chocolate. You can use any kind of chocolate you like or want. So let's melt the chocolate in the cream. So our chocolate is completely melted in the cream. Now let's serve it and enjoy. So our hot chocolate is ready.